Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. तो फर्स्ट पार्ट इस टॉपिक का इंडियन राइटिंग्स इन इंग्लिश का 50 क्वेश्चंस हम लोगों ने कर लिया है. अगर आप लोगों ने देखा नहीं है तो पहले फर्स्ट 50 क्वेश्चंस आप कंप्लीट कर लो, देन ओनली आप नेक्स्ट 50 पार्ट्स करो. और अगर ये 50 क्वेश्चंस अभी आप कर ले रहे हो तो नेक्स्ट 50 पार्ट्स आप ज़रूर देख लेना, क्योंकि ये एक इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस के पार्ट है. तो अभी हम 50 क्वेश्चंस को स्टार्ट करते हैं अपने. My Story and The Suicide are the works of Kamla Das. 13 December, A Reader, The Stranger Case of the Attack on the Indian Parliament is written by Arundhati Roy. The Sunset Club and Truth, Love and Little Malice are the works of Khushwant Singh. Who gave the title Guru Deva to Rabindranath Tagore? Mahatma Gandhi. The title Knighthood to Rabindranath Tagore was given by George V, who is called the Nightingale of India, Sarojini Naidu. Name the first book written by an Indian in English, Travels of Deen Muhammad by Deen Muhammad. When did Deen Muhammad Travels narrative publish? 1793. Who wrote the first play in English? The Krishna Mohan Banerjee, The Persecuted. The Persecuted was published in 1831. Who wrote the first Indian novel in English? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. What is the name of first Indian novel in English? Rajmohan's Wife by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Who published Brahmonical magazine in English in 1821? Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Who were called the trio of Indian novel? Raja Rao, Mulk Raj Anand and R.K. Narayan. It is these three writers who defined the area in which the Indian novel was to operate. They established its assumptions, they sketched its main themes. Who said was about the trio of Indian novel? Who is the writer of Cry the Peacock and Fire on the Mountain? Anita Desai. The theme that dominates the poetry of Kamla Das is love. The mother tongue of Kamla Das was Malayalam. I am sinner, I am saint, I am the beloved and the betrayed. Kamla Das. Which Indian writer embraced Islam and became Suraya at the age of 65? Kamla Das. Which Indian writer combines anthropology, history and fiction in his works? Mulk Raj Anand. Mulk Raj Anand was awarded a Silver Wedding Fund scholarship for writing an essay on David Hume. Which novel did Mulk Raj Anand write under the influence of Mahatma Gandhi and James Joyce? Untouchable. Which work of Mulk Raj Anand reveals and condemns the uselessness of British pattern of education in India? A Lament on the Death of Master of Arts. Who wrote forward preface to Mulk Raj Anand's novel Untouchable? E.M. Foster. Which poet is discarded by Nissim Ezekiel in his review of the future poetry Sri Aurobindo? Who is a Bene Israel poet? Nissim Ezekiel. I want a human balance humanly. Who said? Nissim Ezekiel. The exact name, the railway clerk, background casually are written by Nissim Ezekiel. I cannot leave this island. I was born here and belong. Who said? Nissim Ezekiel. About Mumbai. What is the central theme of Nissim Ezekiel's work? Alienation. Who wrote an introduction to R.K. Narayan's novel The Financial Expert? Graham Greene. Who said Ezekiel is a poet of the city Bombay? Linda Hess. Jayant Mahapatra is basically a man of physics. Arundhati Roy's debut novel, The God of Small Things, won Booker Prize in 1997. Anita Desai's Where Shall We Go This Summer has been compared to Virginia Woolf's To the Lighthouse. I speak three languages, write in two, and dream in one. Who said Kamla Das? Which of Salman Rushdie's novel was banned in India and forced him live in secrecy for 9 years? Satanic Verses. The Sahitya Academy Awards are given for best writings in how many Indian languages? 22. What is pen name of Kamla Das? Madhvi Kutti. Wings of Fire is an autobiography of APJ Abdul Kalam. Who was the first to translate Mahabharata in English? K.M. Ganguly. Lone Fox Dancing is the autobiography of which Indian writer? Ruskin Bond. Beside Arundhati Roy and Kiran Desai, who is the other one to win Man Booker Prize from India? Arvind Adiga. ठीक है. Which is the first novel of Chetan Bhagat, 5 point someone? From which year Sahitya Academy Award was started? 1954. The first English translation of the Bhagavad Gita was done by Charles Wilkins. What is the name of the autobiography by Neeraj Chandra Chaudhary? The Autobiography of an Unknown Indian. Who incorporate Punjabi and Hindi idioms into English? Mulk Raj Anand. Mulk Raj Anand's autobiographical novel is Seven Summers. Who is known as first national poet of modern India? Henry Louis Vivian Desrosiers. तो 100 क्वेश्चंस हमारे कंप्लीट हो गए इंडियन राइटिंग्स इन इंग्लिश के। आप लोग इसको कंप्लीट कर लीजिए और फिर अगर आपको इंडियन राइटर्स के बारे में भी एक एक टॉपिक एक एक राइटर्स के बारे में चाहिए होगा तो वो भी अगर मैं पढ़ूँगी तो मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूँगी, क्योंकि मैं खुद प्रिपरेशन कर रही हूँ तो मैं साथ साथ में डाल रही हूँ। अगर कुछ आपको सजेशन भी देना हो कि किस तरह से चाहिए आपको और वीडियो सही से अपलोड नहीं हो रहा है कि क्या दिक्कत है, यू कैन कमेंट एंड ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए सो दैट कि मैं भी मोटिवेटेड रहूँ और ख़ुद भी पढ़ सकूँ और आप लोगों के साथ वीडियो शेयर भी कर सकूँ। थैंक यू।